Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Pag IBIG MID number online. First, navigate to the official virtual Pag IBIG website. Look for the Be a Member option and click on Membership Registration. Carefully complete the entire online form with your personal information. Once submitted, you will receive a unique registration tracking number, or RTN, via text message. Remember to save this number, as it is crucial for the next step in obtaining your permanent MID number. After successfully registering and receiving your RTN, the next step is to retrieve your permanent membership ID number. Head back to the virtual Pag IBIG portal and find the MID number inquiry section. Here, you will enter your registration tracking number, your last name, and your birth date. Click Submit, and your unique 12-digit Pag IBIG MID number will be displayed. Please note, it usually takes about 2 to 3 working days for your permanent number to become available after initial registration. For members who have already registered but forgotten their MID number, the process is still straightforward online. Go to the virtual Pag IBIG website and choose the Forgot Pag IBIG MID No option. You will need to input your complete name, birth date, and your mother's maiden name for security verification. A one-time PIN will be sent to your registered mobile or email. Enter this to confirm your identity. Your 12-digit MID number will then be shown to you. Your Pag IBIG MID number is incredibly important. It is your unique 12-digit identifier for all your transactions with the fund. This number is crucial for monitoring your contributions, applying for various loans, and claiming your benefits. Always ensure you keep your MID number secure and update your contact information through virtual Pag IBIG if it changes. For added convenience, consider acquiring a Pag IBIG Loyalty Card Plus, which conveniently displays your MID number.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.